Corky Hunter here with the word on the bird. The Oriole is having jelly for breakfast. Will that be enough for it to escape the unforgiving winter freeze? It's the moment of truth. And we have liftoff. Good try. Maybe tomorrow will be the big day. Here's an exclusive word on the bird update. Will the jelly be enough fuel for the long flight? Or will freezing temperatures put our friend in danger? Welcome, new word on the bird viewers. Just in time to see our high-flying bird make it to a tree. Was it the nectar or all your good wishes? Come on, let's see if the bird is strong enough to make it to the bird bath. And the Oriole has landed.